Next question, Shalom Kabbalah. I wonder if we have the lyre / harp similar to what King David had.
One second, step back. If you have lyre, like somebody not telling the truth, okay.
No, lyre is a musical instrument. It's like a small harp.
Okay.
Like strings.
Yeah, okay, lyre, okay.
So I wonder if we have the lyre / harp.
Harp, okay.
Similar to what King David had. If we want to learn a musical instrument, does lyre have higher spiritual level than others?
I'm not sure. I mean, all music goes like spiritual level goes by the music itself. Right? It depends how the person plays. So it could be guitar, it could be drums even. Right? Could be lyre or something else. So I never saw anything, but it does not mean anything. Like if any difference in the musical instruments, I mean, but always is close to the person's heart, right? Some people like this instrument, but I think some instruments are much harder to learn, like unless you have a special talent. I don't know.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.